Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm going to be installing a lace wig and I already have my stocking cap on just to speed up the process. The wig I'm going to be installing today is from this company called Kiss, and this is my first time working with them. In the box with the hair, I got these two pair of lashes. This is the wig that I'm going to be reviewing today. It doesn't look pre-plucked, but I know for sure it's not pre-bleached. The length of this wig is 24 inches, and I think this is Jerry curl, but I'm not 100% sure, but the information will be down in the description box, so definitely check that out. I'm going to go ahead and add some foundation onto the lace, and this will help to give me a more natural looking root without going through the bleaching process. This is what it looks like after I added the foundation on it. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it on and see what it looks like. Okay, so far I'm liking the way it's looking, so I'm going to go ahead and cut off this extra piece that's hanging over my ear so the lace can lay flat around the side of my ear. Now I'm using some alcohol to clean off my skin to get it prepared for the Got2b Glued Free Spray that I'm about to use on it. This spray that I'm about to use to hold my lace down, it works like a charm, but it's definitely like a temporary solution. It's not waterproof, so I try to explain that in some of my videos to you guys. If you're gonna do any kind of activity that's gonna make you sweat, if you're gonna go in water, you definitely don't want to use this because your wig is gonna come off. The main reason why I like to use it is because number one, it dries fast, and I don't keep my wig on for too long. I might have it on for a day or two, maybe 3 days, but I really don't keep it on that long for me to, come up with any problems. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the side.
It's over, but you telling a lie. See you standing at a fork in the road. I know. So get up out your feelings and get ready to go. Let me introduce some people tonight. Yeah, they crazy broken people making wonderful lives. Let me show you how.
Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and tie it down for another 10 minutes or so it could completely dry before I cut the lace off.
I know I've been there for a moment before, and it's hard fighting pain. It's making you choke. Hey, hey, keep your heart to the sky. Cause every day, any day can bring a new surprise. One love for the people going through hard times. And welcome to the club of the.
Now that it's fully dry, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use this Got2b glue gel around the edges, and this is gonna melt the lace like into my skin to make it more undetectable. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dry it, and as you can see, the lace is not as visible as it was before I added the glue on it. Now it's time to make some edges because edges can be cute sometimes on lace wigs. To lay my edges, I'm going to be using my foam wrap lotion from BTL. Now I'm tying these edges down so they could dry, and while they're drying, I'm gonna go ahead and work on the rest of the hair. Now I'm gonna give myself a center part, and to get my party nice and straight, I'm gonna be using my mousse again on it. Now I'm gonna spray some water all over the hair so I could bring the curl back into it, and this will eliminate some of the frizz. I'm also gonna add some Pantene Hydrating Buttercream on it for the final touch. Now that I'm all done with the hair, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and I'll be back with the final look. This is it, guys. I have to say I absolutely love it. How beautiful is it? The length is perfect, the density is perfect, the curl pattern, everything. So I am so in love with it. It looks very full, but it's definitely not heavy. And another thing I noticed about this wig is you could tell they cut it in layers, which I absolutely love about it. It really doesn't have that much shredding, and the curls are super soft, and I just love how bouncy it is. Definitely go check out West Kiss Hair if you want to get you a unit like this. I will leave all the information down in the description box below. I will also leave the link to this exact hair that I'm wearing to make it easier for you guys to find it, just in case you're interested. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!